all the leads that you're getting from Facebook advertisements are from bots or the unqualified leads, then you are on the right video. Hi, this is Prathamesh. I am a founder of Bot Leader Advice Hub and you're watching my YouTube channel. So before starting a video, I just request you to go on below and click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that all the Facebook marketing related videos that I'm putting on daily basis on this channel, you will be benefited from that and you will get help from that particular things, right? So let's go ahead in the video, and I just want to talk about why should we be aware about audience network placement. Now, what is an audience network placement? Let's dive into the screen and check out what it is exactly. So I'm with my example account and I already created an example campaign, and now I am into the ad set level, right? This is the first campaign level, then ad set level, and then the ads level, right? So once we are on the ad set level, we'll go down here, and if you see closely, let me zoom on this. Okay, if you close me, here are the placements, right? These are the both placement options that we have, right? And Facebook generally recommended you to automatically choose an automatically placement, right? Now, what is an automatic placement? Placement is the places where your ads gonna be showing, right? Let's say your ads are going to be shown on Facebook newsfeed. Let's say your ads are going to be shown on Instagram newsfeed, Facebook story, Instagram story. Apart from that, Facebook has 4 main networks: Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and the Messenger, right? As per my particular opinion, I should never use Audience Network. And why is that so? I'm going to show it to you in shorts. And why it is so, I'm going to show it to you in the video ahead, right? So let's go. First of all, I never choose automatic placement. I always choose manual placement, which is right below here, right? So once you come into the manual placement, if you see, as I told you, it's Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger, right? These 4 things are there, right? So once I deselect, right? Before deselecting, let us go down, and if you see, there are so many placements in Facebook, in Instagram, in stories, reels, in stream search, and messages, and in article, apps, and videos, right? All the placements are selected because we have chosen the automatic placement which is recommended by Facebook. Now we are coming into the manual placement and we have unselect the audience network, right? Now what is an audience network? If we go down here, if you see the Instagram instant videos unselected, then if we go down, the messages are unselected, and if we go down, the main part is this apps and videos. These apps and videos are not in the interface of Facebook and Instagram. These are the networks which is connected to Facebook, right? But not from Facebook. Like in applications, like in videos, which are not in the Facebook or interface or the Instagram interface, right? These are all which is connected outside the Facebook interface, right? Let's say you are downloaded some games from the Play Store. Let's say you are downloaded some kind of an application from Play Store. Let's say you are downloaded some kind of an application from Apple Store. That particular applications which are connected to Facebook started showing an advertisement on these particular applications, articles, videos, and all, right? So these are the different things from Facebook altogether, right? So when we are creating, let's say assuming that I have created a traffic campaign, right? So once we are creating a traffic campaign, do you think, do you know, right, that the only objective of traffic campaign is to send traffic and click on the link which we are given. Maybe it is an application link, maybe it is a a website link, maybe it is your landing page link, right? So once we are creating traffic campaign and selected an automatic placement in first place, then what Facebook will do? Facebook will start showing in campaigns on all over the placement that you selected, because we have selected the automatic placement as per the Facebook, right? Now, as per the Facebook algorithm, whenever on which particular placement Facebook is getting and most cheapest link click, Facebook will show and optimize your advertisement for that particular placement. Let's say that one particular audience network is giving and link clicks in a $0.0006 or $0.0001, and the Facebook placement, means Facebook feed placement and Instagram feed placement, is giving it on $1. So what Facebook automatically do is Facebook will start showing more ads on audience network. But what exactly happening when it starts showing more advertisements on audience network? Particularly, if you are reading some kind of an articles, if you are watching some kind of videos, right? Particularly on mobile devices, right? These particular ads are not most probably relevant to you, right? These are the ads which is disturbing you while reading that article or watching that video, right? So what you will do? You will not able to find the back button from that advertisement. So what you will do? You will click that advertisement, and in the next second you are going back to the video or the article which you are watching, right? So what happened? You are getting a place, but you are not the customer for that advertiser, right? You are skipping that step by clicking on the advertisement and coming back on your things which you want to do, right? So the main thing is same things happening with us when we are advertising on audience network, right? Most probably in the mobile devices, today's world, 80% of the people are using mobile devices for each and everything, whether it is an article reading, whether it is a video, whether it is an application. 80% of the people are from mobile devices. If you go on to the campaign and see the results, particularly, every time you see that 80% results will be shown from the mobile and 20% results will be shown from the desktop, right? So particularly on mobile devices, we are getting this old leads or the fake leads or the unqualified leads that you are stating, and hence I always make sure that whenever I am creating a campaign, I already exclude or I personally exclude the audience network from my campaign. It is different from the objective to objective. Sometimes what happens is you are creating a conversion campaigns, and at that point of time, if you are choosing an automatic placement, Facebook will automatically come to know it is optimizing that my particular objective is conversion for complete registration, leads for the sales or purchase, right? So if I'm getting an conversion from Facebook feed or conversion from Instagram feeds, then Facebook will automatically start putting more advertisement on Facebook and Instagram feed, not on the audience network. But when we are doing a traffic and reach campaign, Facebook is not gonna do that, because in our algorithm, wherever you are getting the lowest cost, Facebook will start showing your advertisement there. So always be aware about audience network. This is my opinion. What is your opinion? Go down below and comment me what is your experiences with the audience network ad placement. It might be different from mine, right? But from the last 6 years I'm running an advertisement, I have tested each and everything. Whatever new changes that are coming into Facebook, I have tested each and everything. And for me or for my clients, I particularly prefer not to choose audience segment, right? So for this video, this is it. Next video, we're gonna cover the different things or different changes of Facebook advertisements, which is coming up, which is running now, and we will gonna learn that then. Okay, so before finishing the video, I'll request you again to go on, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you will get notification whenever I'm putting the new videos. And always, if you like, please go and like the video so that I'll get motivated for the next videos, right? So thank you so much. Bye bye.